Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be like a little vlog. My boyfriend and I are going to clean up this room down that's in our basement. It's actually quite chilly. Yeah, we're just going to clean it up and try to make a little bit homier down here to like chill out and stuff since we're in quarantine. I would like another room that's away from everyone else. So yeah, so this is what we're working with. But all this needs to be cleaned up. It's my boyfriend's little workstation down here, as you can see from all the paint on everything. So we're gonna set this table up, clean it up, and put a tablecloth on it. His mom gave us that table, so yeah. So I got my gloves and garbage bag ready to go, and a broom. So yeah, that's what we're working with today on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. It is 5 o'clock, so we're getting a late start on this, but better late than never. So I just really want to get this done today. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to vacuum this carpet, and I'm going to be bringing this carpet from my living room down into the room downstairs. So let's move the table and start vacuuming. Donezo on the carpet. Let's go see what my boyfriend has done to the room. Now let's see how. There wasn't much. I haven't gotten anything really for the room downstairs. No like ceilings, no new ceilings, no new walls, nothing. So I look and feel horrendous today. This is what has been done so far. So far, I just got all the garbage up, and I was putting together the table. The table is actually a little bit smaller than what you see on camera, which is actually really good. So table set up. Hi, Toadie. The window's not open. Can't go out there. Okay, let's bring in the carpet. So we got the area rug from upstairs down here. We got the table and my friend on Snapchat video call. That's Amanda.
Like and subscribe.
And yeah, so we got this set up. We're gonna get a tablecloth for this table, obviously, because it's a little outdated, but that's okay. And I want to redo the ceiling, obviously.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you think this is a good space to do my YouTube videos. Yeah. See you on the flip side, bitch.
And I hope you guys liked today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is going to be a part 1, and I'm going to do a part 2 and of redoing this basement. Yeah, maybe get some inspo. I'm gonna go on Home Depot and Lowe's and all that just to take a look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!